If Voicemod suddenly stops working, no voice change, no sound, not detected in Discord, OBS, or your game, this is almost never a Voicemod bug. Most of the time, it's an audio routing issue. Before we continue, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not affiliated with Voicemod, I'm not selling anything, and I'm not guaranteeing a fix for every setup. I'm breaking this down so you don't waste hours reinstalling stuff that isn't actually broken. Voicemod works as a virtual microphone, meaning if your apps aren't set to use Voicemod virtual audio device, nothing will happen no matter how many buttons you click. Check your input device inside Discord, Zoom, OBS, or your game, not just Windows settings. Also make sure Voicemod is set to the correct physical microphone, because if Voicemod can't hear you, it can't change anything. This mismatch alone causes the majority of Voicemod not working complaints. Another common problem is permissions and conflicts. If Voicemod isn't run as administrator, Windows can block it from taking control of audio devices. Closing Voicemod completely and reopening it as admin fixes that instantly for many users. Audio enhancements, noise suppression apps, or other virtual audio tools can also interfere, things like NVIDIA Broadcast, Crisp, or Equalizer software. Disable them temporarily and test again. If Voicemod worked before but suddenly stopped, a Windows update likely reset your default audio devices. Reselect your mic and speakers inside Voicemod, then restart the Voicemod engine from the settings panel instead of reinstalling the entire app. If none of that works, then you're likely dealing with driver or version issues. Outdated audio drivers can break virtual devices overnight, so updating your sound drivers directly from your manufacturer, not Windows Auto Update, matters more than people think. Also check if Voicemod itself is updated, because older versions can lose compatibility with newer Windows builds. As a last check, try switching USB ports if you're using a USB mic, or test with a different microphone to rule out hardware failure. Bottom line, Voicemod almost always fails because of routing, permissions, or conflicts, not because it's down. Fix those and it usually works instantly. If this saved you time or frustration, stick around. I break down tech issues like this so you don't fall for the reinstall everything trap.